Hi, this is Ms. Hang. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to graph a quadratic equation, of which the graph will end up being a parabola. So here we have the equation y equals x squared minus 3. In the first step, what you want to do is go ahead and make sure that it's in this form, y equals a x squared plus bx plus c form. So what you want to do first is identify the a, b, c variables. The a is the coefficient for x squared. In this case, our coefficient for a is 1. Now look at the equation. There is no b term. There is no x term. So therefore, our b value is 0. And the constant in this term is -3. So c is -3. The next thing that you want to do is find the x-coordinate of the vertex. There's a formula, x equals -b divided by 2a. So from step 1, substitute the values for b and a into this formula. You're going to get 0 as the x-coordinate of the vertex. Now in this chart below, you have an x and y chart. Notice I have 5 ordered pair slots, and in the middle I'm going to place the vertex. Since I just found out the x-coordinate of the vertex, I'm going to put 0 in the middle of my table. Now I want to make a symmetrical table. So from the vertex, if I go up one space, now I have an x-coordinate of 1, but I must keep it symmetrical and also go down by 1. So now I have an x value of -1. Again, I'm going to keep it symmetrical. From 1, I'm going to go up another unit, and now I have an x value of 2. And from -1, I'm going to go down one more unit, and now I have an x value of -2. So now from here, go ahead and make an xy table and show your work to solve the y values. If x is -2, with this work shown, you would have a y value of 1. So now in this table above there, I'm going to insert 1. So there's my ordered pair. Oh, sorry, I said the wrong thing. That would be right here. Next, my x value of -1, if you plug it into this equation and do the work properly, you would have an y value of -2, and that would go right here. Next, my vertex is 0. So I want to find the y value. It's -3, so -3 is there. And let's continue and find the last 2 ordered pairs. So now I have the 5 ordered pairs of my parabola. So now what you're going to do on a coordinate plane is graph these 5 points. When you're completed with the graph, it should look something like this. The red dot signifies the vertex, and this is on the chart that we just made. This point is also on the chart that we just made, as well as this one, as well as this one. Now I didn't extend my chart to get an x value of 3, but if I did, 3, 6 would be my ordered pair. Same thing, I did not include -3 on my xy chart, but if I did, I would have gotten an ordered pair of -3, 6. And as best as you can, connect all of these dots in a nice smooth curve, and this is called a parabola. This red dotted line down the middle through your vertex is called the axis of symmetry. Now go ahead and practice a few more problems following these steps, and hopefully that should help. Thanks for watching.